Welcome back to Unstitched with Rich and Anton.
Hey folks, welcome back to Unstitched. And this week we're going to talk about something when our young people enter into the world, and especially our young men, because, basically, not that we don't love the girls, but we concentrate on young men and helping to rear them and groom them. When they leave high school, what's a better gift? To give them a handful of cash or a nice suit? Rich, I opened up. I'm going to shoot it to you first. Let me know where you are on the subject.
All right, sounds good. Yeah, that's a very intriguing question. I'm gonna go with it's better to just give them some monetary. Just put some money in their hands because let's say they're heading off to college. There may be different supplies they need. Maybe they're getting their first apartment. They may have to stock up with the essentials. Suit is great. I mean, being a custom clothier, of course, we want to lean towards, get as many people in these custom suits as possible. But I think the practical way to go would probably be just put the cash in their hand. Hopefully they make the right decision with it. And that's the only thing that kind of scares me about giving them cash.
Right. So I can agree with you, but I'll tell you why I feel that a suit would be a really good option, especially for young men, right? Especially for young men. One, there's a possibility, first off, that he may not have a suit, right? And if he's off to college and he's getting out of school, he may not have one. So he's gonna need one, right? He's gonna need one. Why? Because one, he may be interviewing for certain things at school, and he may be interviewing for certain positions and jobs, right?
Yeah, so, and I was gonna say it could even be a college graduate too, though. Graduation gift. So
okay.
I feel you there.
Okay. So if we're gonna broaden it to a college graduate,
broaden it up. Either one.
Okay. So if we're gonna broaden it to a college graduate, then definitely. Then hands down to me, a suit is gonna, because first off, unless if he went to school, then more than likely he's going to try to get some type of profession or job. So if he doesn't have one, to get him a suit, especially a custom suit, is going to help him to put his best foot forward walking in the door. That cash, if he's not the most responsible guy, that could be blowing in the night, maybe 2 weekends. You know what I'm saying? Depending where he goes.
Who is he? James Harden? Blowing it. Lou Williams.
Hey, he might love wings. You know what I'm saying? Could love wings, right? But you don't know. That cash, that's fleeting. Yeah. You understand what I'm saying? Like, and especially if you don't know how that person looks at money. You give him a suit, you sit him down, talk to him for a little bit. You're like, listen, let me sit you down for a second. This is a custom suit. I'm trying to put you on the right path, send you in the right direction, so you can walk into these doors and have these interviews without looking like a garbage bag. You know what I'm saying? So just like, to me, it's almost wrong to give. Now I'll never give anybody cash again. I'll never do it.
All right, Mr. Big Shot, giving away suits. This guy's passing out suits like candy. The reason I'm saying cash too is because you're right. As much as I love custom suits, it's pretty expensive. So if you give them cash, they might be able to go to a local big box store and get something off the rack and still have a little cash in their pocket to do whatever they need to do. Because I mean, when you're first graduating, everybody's been there. They're low on cash. You need the cash for some necessities, maybe even a down payment on a car, stuff like that. Everything can't be about the suit, but I do get what you're saying. The suit would give them a leg up, but at the same time, since this is Unstitched, I got to fight and say, you know what? Give them the cash. Let them get a lesser suit, but still have a little bit of that money left over to do some other necessity type things that they need to do. Meanwhile, you got this guy walking around looking like $1 million, and he's got no gas for his car. He's got no money to put down for a down payment on his apartment. What good is the suit?
Hey, listen, you can fake it till you make it. You know what I'm saying? You got the suit on, you just walk in the street. There's a couple things that could happen. Somebody could take a liking to you because, this kid just graduated college. He's got some kind of degree. he might
True.
just stumble. He just might stumble into a situation looking right.
That's
You
true.
know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah. It does
things
happen. It does. It opens doors. It opens doors.
We always preach that the way you look matters. And I'm not saying in order for you to get a job, you have to have a suit on. No. But when you go to interviews, you definitely want to look the part. You want to look good. And depending on the job, and we're talking about college graduates and things of that nature, and even kids getting out of school, high school. Like I dare say that even giving a kid a suit, if he's not used to wearing suits coming out of high school, is a good look, because it kind of puts in his mind that as you go into this next step, that unless he wants to be something different, where he just doesn't have to wear, he might want to do something different, and he never has to be in a suit. But I'm gonna tell you this: you can never go wrong in a suit.
I tell you what, though, turn back the hands of time, back to when we were 18, 20, 22, and if somebody would have gave me $1,000 or bought me a suit, I tell you what, one of my uncles gave me $1,000, the other one gives me a suit. I'm looking side at the guy that gave me a suit. I'm like, man, I could have had 2 G's. You gave me this suit. What are you doing? But I don't know. That's just me.
I want to be in your family. You got 2 uncles giving you a custom suit. Man, I told y'all, Richie's loaded, baby.
Hypothetical. Hey, how am I loaded? You're the guy passing out suits.
I mean, hey, you get a suit. You get a suit. I'm connected.
Right.
Know what I'm saying?
It's under your seat, kid. Yeah. Give Harrison Blake apparel. Look, Mom.
I got the keys to a Corolla and a brand new suit under the seat.
Thanks, Uncle Ant.
That's what I'm here for, baby. For the young youth. For the youth.
Passing out suits. Oh man, this was a good one. I don't know, guys. Let us know in the comments. What do you think? Take the cash or get him the custom suit? Till next time, Unstitched.
This was Unstitched